Want to replace the door hook on your dishwasher? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver, a set of pliers, and a new door hook. Step 1. Remove the top of the dishwasher. Loosen the screws at the back and carefully remove the top from the appliance. Step 2. Remove the old door hook. You can use pliers to pinch the door hook together. Then remove the door hook. Step 3. Insert the new door hook. Push the new door hook back through the opening where the old door hook was. Step 4. Place the top back on the dishwasher. Carefully place the top back on the dishwasher. Retighten the screws at the back. You have replaced the door hook and the dishwasher is ready to use again.